Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We have a massive box of gel here. We have a 50-piece syrup gel set to swatch here from FAUVE? I'm not sure. If you know how to pronounce that, please let me know down below because I do not. But Classique Nail Supply here in Toronto very kindly sent me over this massive box of gel and I am so excited about it. So to kick things off, I think we should open it up, see what comes inside. Okay, like I said, this is a pretty huge box. Open it up, got a little protective layer there, and inside we have a swatch card, which is amazing because, I mean, for 50 gels, I'm going to swatch them today. I'm predicting it's going to take forever. It's very nice that these are already swatched out. The tips are so small and so cute. And then it also comes with a base for you to slot this into so it can sit perfectly on your shelf, which I love that. And I'm also already seeing colors that I'm excited about. So I'm excited to give these all a whirl, but then look at these bottles. Look at these bottles. These are beautiful. We've got this kind of like triangular shape, which I actually think is quite comfortable to hold. Pop the lid off. It's one of those situations. Look how pretty that is. Okay, we need to dive right in because I don't think I can wait any longer. I've had these gels sitting in my studio for far longer than I care to admit, trying to find the right time to swatch them because, like I said, this is going to take me a while to do and I have some hours right now. So let's dive in. I'm going to be swatching these in order from S01 to S50. We're going to be doing first and second coats of each of them. Now I'm not going to voice over this entire thing because that would be so boring for you guys listening to me talk about everything I usually point out, but for 50 gels. So why don't we just cue some nice music and I'll let you guys enjoy a swatching video and then we'll check back in the end. Okay, here we have all 50 shades. They are beautiful. I'm particularly a fan of like the greens and blues. They all swatched really, really nice. Some of them are a little bit different texture. I'm gonna point out this one here. Hang on, let me bring the light back. It's definitely a little bit more sheer than some of the others. So something to keep in mind is you will get the occasional one that feels a bit different, but they do apply really, really nicely. They are a bit of a, I don't want to say thinner, but they're definitely a little bit slippy. So I was like flash curing to make sure they weren't seeping down the sidewalls too much. So something to keep in mind. But yeah, this collection is really, really nice. I'm super excited to start using this on my clients. And let me know if you want to see any of these in action on some fingers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.